Hi YouTube, Tim Unkert from UnkertEducation.com here. In this video, I'm going to show you how to install IDLE on a Chromebook. But first, if you like videos like this where I show you how to install software on both Chromebook and Windows, make sure to subscribe. Okay, with that out of the way, let's get started. Okay, the first thing we need to do is install the Linux development environment. So I'm going to go over here to the launcher, click on the launcher, and I'm going to search for my settings. I'll find my settings. And on the left-hand side here, I'll go down to Advanced. I'll click on that. I'll scroll on down to Developers, and I'll click on Developers. From here, we see we have the Linux development environment. I'm going to click Turn On, and then I'm going to go through here and click Next. It'll give me a username based off my email and a recommended disk size. The disk size can be changed later. The username I think stays as is, so you want to pick something that you like for that, but you can change the disk size later. I'm going to click Install, and it's going to take a few moments, so I'll come on back once that's done. Okay, once the Linux development environment is installed, a terminal will pop up. I'm going to maximize this and increase the font so you can see what I'm doing. Okay, so first off, we want to make sure everything is up to date. We can do that by typing sudo apt update, and then 2 ampersands for and sudo apt upgrade with the -y flag here, and hit enter. That'll take a few moments, so I'll come on back once that's done. Okay, now that everything is up to date, we can install IDLE. First off, I'm going to clear out the console here by just typing clear and pressing enter. And then to install IDLE, I'm just going to type sudo apt install IDLE and hit enter. I'm going to say yes to the additional space and hit enter. Okay, now we have IDLE installed. I'm going to find it by clicking on the launcher here and going down to my Linux apps. And you can see I can pick either one of these. I'll pin this to the shelf, and then to open IDLE, I'll just click on this. And here we go. We have the IDLE Python IDE installed on a Chromebook. If you like this video, remember, please like and subscribe. Thank you.